So you are part and parcel of all this gardening that we are going to see now.
माने या ना माने, I've toiled in this garden.
अच्छा good. चलें
सारे ब्लूम करके ख़त्म हो चुके हैं, लेकिन आजकल जैसे पेशावर में मैं पला बड़ा तो वहाँ हमारे गुलाब बहुत होते थे।
जी
मुझे बड़ा शौक है।
Very nice.
कई रंगों के गुलाब हैं,
बहुत खूबसूरत।
और भी हैं, कुछ अभी ब्लूम नहीं हुए हैं।
इनके hydrangeas are his prized possession.
अच्छा
अब भी शुरू हो रहे हैं।
अच्छा
ये
वेरी नाइस।
कहलाता है ओक लीफ हाइड्रेंजिया, क्योंकि इसके पत्ते जो हैं वो ओक
मतलब इस तरह ही बढ़ता है ये।
और बड़े मतलब बुश बनेगी इसकी, तभी तो
अच्छा।
ये कोशिश थी कि हर रंग के सफेद, नारंगी, गुलाबी, लाल, ब्लू कम थे तो ये मैंने लगाए हैं।
Very
इधर भी
nice.
उधर भी बहुत।
Very nice. Assalamu alaikum, greetings. My name is Shua and I am sitting with someone very important and special for the Pakistani community, Pakistani American community. Please introduce yourself,
Sure.
who you are and what do you do.
Thank you, Shua. So my name is Imran Qidwai. I was born in Peshawar, raised in Peshawar. I did all my education through electrical engineering through Peshawar University. I've been in the US for almost 40 years, actually coming in July, and in the Boston area for the last 38 years. So effectively now I consider myself a software engineer. And now I'm working in the area of climate action, and the simple headline is I'm trying to save the planet for my grandkids.
Very nice.
Organization of Pakistani Entrepreneurs of North America. But today it's more of a brand because we have expanded globally.
Okay.
Imagine 7 people sitting in somebody's living room eating desi lunch and thinking big and saying, hey, let's just have an organization for all of North America. At that time, there was a big ambition.
Excellent.
And we did not realize that it would actually become a global organization. What happened was about 70 or more people showed up, maybe more than 100. People flew in from LA, people flew in from San Francisco, people drove,
nice.
Rented a bus and came from New York. As I said, open is, while I gave you the explanation, right now it's a brand, just like Hoover and Kleenex and everything, and we have gone global. I think the only other thing I would say is in the formation of Open in the early years, the other 7 founders, they were all critical. Imran Khan, and when one of the things we did was to make sure that we had the right chemistry between the people. We had a spirit of giving rather than taking. So in fact, when we were looking for the first president, nobody wanted to be the first president.
Oh, wow. So
I believe we had to,
all of them are also humble.
we had to draw and have a drawing to decide who is going to be responsible.
That's nice.
So Imran Khan, our friend here, was the first president of Open. As I said earlier, I have spent more than half my life here. Okay. In some ways, I consider myself American, but I am proud to be a Pakistani American. As they say, Dil Dil Pakistan. So we, in fact, with some friends from my school, including some Bengali friends, we have in the pandemic era, we have a monthly call, and we are around the world, and we're considering a trip to Pakistan, inshallah, next year.
Oh, that's excellent. Very nice.
So my message, yes, my message to the people in Pakistan is that is to have unity, for the parents to make sure their children get educated, whether it's boys or girls. I certainly wish all the best to Pakistan and wish another great 75 years, and hope that we get out of some of the turmoil, have more unity, more progress. Pakistan has a lot of potential. Many of us who live here and elsewhere in the world, we came from the same soil. Alhamdulillah, we have been successful, and sometimes I just wish and hope that our country, Pakistan, could be more successful than it has been so far.
Okay, excellent.
I just wanted to thank you. I'm certainly humbled and honored by you and Siraj kind of choosing to interview me.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much indeed.